Hi guys, I found a fun boxing machine near Narshindi railway station. See, my score is 544 and he scored 580 maybe. Yes, 580, but my score is not bad. It's the opinion of others guys. Because it was my first time. See, his score is 780. Wow, it's very high. And see, others people are waiting to check their strength of boxing.
We have opened a platform, and this platform name is Beyond Dhaka. Here we will speak free and frankly.
After my discussions, I see they understand the English but can't speak. I told them no worries, just keep listening and try to speak like me, even a little.